guys, it's your girls LT Slay LT. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friend, turn on your notifications so you are aware when I do have new videos posted. And if you guys haven't already seen any of my videos, this is the first video for the Shein haul that I'm doing today. And I do have a couple of pieces that are very to your liking. There's summer pieces, spring pieces, and I actually bought some shoes, which I'm going to give a commentary on the next video about these, because I'm not going to take them out of the actual bags that they come in. I will show you the shoes, however, because one of them is in a box. I will show you that. Now, what I would say is, and I have to say this in this video, I was kind of disappointed with Shein this time. I've ordered from them several times in the past, and usually I would give them, if I had to rate them, between an A and an F as far as like grading scales, or from 1 to 10. Let me do it with 1 to 10. This time, I'm going to have to give Shein probably around a 6 or a 5. Even though I haven't actually taken the garments out of the bag, the packaging this time absolutely sucked. When I got the bag, first of all, it did come USPS through the mail, which is fine because I have received packages USPS from Shein before. However, this time for some reason, when I received the packages, it came in this bag, and I haven't taken it all out. You guys can see this bag was like, it looks like someone actually, and I don't know, Shein actually comes from out of the country, so I'm pretty sure at one point it does have to go through customs if it's at a certain weight, which I will give them that pass for this. But the bag was actually ripped, so it was closed, and I'm trying not to show you guys my address, but it was closed, but like this much of the bag was open. So I was like, okay, it's already a bad sign, because I want to make sure that, one, I have my pieces, all of my items, and two, I want to make sure that no one went into my actual bag or clothing to see what they were. So I was a little upset about that. And I will say Shein this time, I don't know, I was going to start giving you guys reviews and stuff, but I am going to give you guys reviews, and the scale that I'm going to give you this time is definitely, I'll give you guys a stretchy 6. Yeah, because I had shoes in here too, and it looked like someone actually, I don't know, I'm not even going to say that, but this is the first item. These are some sneakers that I purchased from them. And again, I'll show you guys what they actually look like on the website. And it's not bad, but one thing I can say, it doesn't look cheap. This is size 40 in, I guess, foreign sizes, European sizes maybe. This is the shoe. Not bad. I like the sneaker. It's kind of heavy, so it's not like one of those cheaply made. I'm not gonna say cheaply made shoes. Now it did, and another thing too with this, for some reason, it had a very, some of the pieces had a very strong factory smell to it, which I thought was kind of weird. And I have seen people post in the past about that factory smell, so I was able to experience it this time. And the other pieces that I've gotten in the past, I have never experienced that, so it's kind of weird for me, because literally when I opened the bag, the smell was so overbearing. I had to literally open the bag and leave it open for a while before actually trying to, you know, make sure that I had all the pieces in there. But it looks like everything was in the bag itself, even though it looks like it was kind of tampered with. But that's those sneakers. This is the second one that I have. I'll go ahead and also post a picture online. These are some yellow sneakers, which I thought was super cute. These are lightweight. I never had yellow shoes. I think I did a while back, like some Calvin Kleins, but I think I bought those from, actually I did. I bought those from a thrift shop. I ended up throwing them away because I had just never worn it. I never had anything to wear them with, but I do have a lot of jeans that I can wear this with. I actually bought a shirt to match this, but the yellow shirt that I bought is actually a little bit lighter than this, so it's a different shade of yellow, and I'll show you guys in a minute. This, and I'm gonna take them out of the bag in the next video. You see, I'm just showing you how it looks right now, and then next video I'll come out and show you guys what it is. But this is it's a leopard, or should I say like a tiger print bodysuit. I bought this in a size large. This is the yellow shirt that I was telling you about. It's almost like a what do you call it? Like one of those vintage type shirts. And as you can see, these are actually 2 different shades of yellow. It's a big difference, but pretty sure if I have some jeans with it, probably won't be such a huge difference in both of them. So these are some the joggers that I like to wear. I was like, this is an extra large, which is weird because it came in a small package. So I was like, I didn't know if this was going to fit, but it looks like it should fit. Give me just a second. Okay, so this like I was saying, this one is it came in an extra large, a small bag. So once I take it out, you guys will see how it looks, but I think it's actually pretty small. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to wear that right now. This is actually a printed shirt that I saw, and again, I'll post the pictures so you guys can see what the items look like. But I'm gonna take it out the bag on the next video, so you can see that I really like the print of this shirt and the material of it. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like as far as the material. It's like a soft type material, so it does stretch. It has some stretch to it. I thought it was super cute. And then we have, these are some joggers. These are some rose gold. I say rose gold joggers, but the material is super soft, and these actually do not stretch at all, so these are definitely going to be true to size. I bought this in a 2XL, which should actually fit, fingers crossed. These I was excited about, but once I got them, these actually, I think these had the strong factory smell to it. And I will actually take this out the bag and let it air out, because maybe after I wash it, it may take that odor out, but it was very strong. These are in a 2XL as well. These are jeans joggers with the cuffs at the bottom. So they do cuff at the bottom, and they do have a ripped jeans effect to them. So that should be super cool. And last but not least, I have another. This is like some blue joggers, and these actually it's the same as that pink one, but it's just blue, and they don't have stretch to them either. This is a 2XL as well, I believe. Let me double check. Yes, it's 2XL. So should be able to wear those garments right now. And again, this, for some reason, that odor, I just don't know where in the world that came from. But Shein, I don't know, you guys. This time you kind of disappointed me. Even though I haven't taken the items all the way out the bag, we're going to go through and do that. So I'm going to come back on my next part of this haul to show you guys what these actually look like. And I will definitely be coming back in my next video. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'll go ahead and post some of the links below to my other videos, so you guys can check that out as well. If you like this video, go ahead and like it. Send me an email if it's something you would like me to do a haul on. With Shein, I do have another chick me. I have a chick me haul. It's the first time I've ordered from Chick Me. And I'm gonna go ahead and do a haul when when you order from Chick Me, it takes about a month or so. I ordered those pieces back at the beginning of May, and it's now the end of June. So yeah, it's been a while, almost 2 months. So it's kind of weird, but whatever. I'm gonna do a haul on that one as well, so you guys will see that video coming soon. And again, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment, share it with your friends. It's free and all that good stuff. And again, if there's anything you would like to see me do a haul on, shoot me email, and I'll definitely go ahead and order some pieces from there, so I can let you guys know if it's a yay or nay. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here, and I will see you guys and talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.